So hello everyone. Today I'll revise all the directions, means names of directions in anatomy. So if this is a human body, for example, this is the anatomical position. This is the arms, thumb. So any line dividing the body into two equal halves and passing from the center of body is called as mid sagittal plane. So this entire plane like this will be known as mid sagittal plane. Line dividing body into two unequal halves but passing laterally is known as transverse plane. Okay. Now, if we look at the head, the skull from the from above. Now this does not look like a skull, but what can you say? This is the nose, this is the ear, eyes, like this. So this will be the sagittal plane. This can also be sagittal plane. This is also sagittal plane. This is also sagittal plane. So front to back, we cut it like this. This is sagittal plane. This is coronal plane. Coronal plane. Since the coronal suture is present right here, like this. This is known as coronal suture. So this is the coronal plane. This is the sagittal plane. Okay. Now, mesial towards the midline. This mid sagittal plane is also known as midline. So towards the midline is mesial, distal is away from the midline. Lateral towards the side. Medial towards the midline. Now anterior towards the front. Posterior away, no, towards the back. Superior above, inferior below. What else is left? Anterior superior, medial lateral, mesial distal, and I think it's everything. Let me check. Superficial nearer to skin. Deep away from the skin. Milo means molar. Hide means bone. And suture is a joint, permanent joint between bones. It may be one bone, it might be two bones, maybe three bones. Now, let's discuss about the views. Frontal view from the front. Lateral view from the side. Parietal view from the top. This is mainly about skull. Occipital view from the back. Frontal, lateral, parietal, occipital, and basal from below. Okay, and anything else? No. For the oral cavity, lingual view or palatal view. No, let's change the page first. So, oral cavity, facial. Now, labial and buccal. Facial view consists of labial and buccal. Both labial and buccal aspects are known as facial aspects. So labial means lips and buccal means cheek. चीक मीन्स जो बाहर में है वो, ये दोनों को मिला के फेशियल बोलते हैं. मीजियल एंड डिस्टल, ये दोनों को मिला के बोलते हैं प्रॉक्सिमल. प्रॉक्सिमल एस्पेक्ट, ठीक है. मतलब मीजियल मतलब टुवर्ड्स द मिड लाइन, डिस्टल मतलब अवे फ्रॉम द मिड लाइन. ओके. एंड लिंगुअल मतलब टुवर्ड्स द टंग. Palatal means towards the palate. So these two are interchangeable in many books. These are interchanged. These two are not interchangeable because these are different, and these two are interchangeable. And sometimes lingual mainly refers to the mandibular teeth mainly, but they might also use palatal for that, and palatal is mainly used for maxillary teeth. Likewise, labial is mainly used for anterior teeth, and buccal is mainly used for posterior teeth. Now, what is anterior and posterior teeth? Anterior teeth is for both incisors plus canines are known as anterior teeth, and Premolars and molars are known as posterior teeth. Okay, now what else? Let me check. और क्या बताया जा सकता है? हाँ. Now let's talk about the foramen and no, we'll talk about foramen and canal in the next one. That is it for today. I don't have much time right now, so I have to study as well. Bye bye.